Good morning, students. Today's lecture is from writing section, article writing. So what do you mean by article? Article आखिर होता क्या है? So article is whatever is being asked in the question. You have to write it in a descriptive way, in a manner in which you can express your feeling about that particular statement. That is the article. So writing article is a very challenging task, not only for you बट फॉर एनी वन. एक स्टूडेंट्स के लिए ही नहीं, कोई भी अगर आर्टिकल लिखना चाहेगा तो उसको इट्स नॉट एन ईजी जॉब. तो क्या करना है इसमें? इट इन्वॉल्व्स अ हाई डिग्री ऑफ क्रिएटिविटी, वाइड रेंज ऑफ वोकेबलरी, अ थरो नॉलेज ऑफ द सब्जेक्ट, सम रिसर्च एंड अ लॉट ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल एक्टिविटीज़. In addition, one has to keep in mind the target readers. That means the readers, those who are going to read this article, you have to keep in mind about that readers, the purpose of writing the article, as well as you have to follow an appropriate style. So now students, this is the format of the article. So article writing in your exam comes for 10 marks. So in 10 marks, for 1 mark is for title and writer's name. If writer's name is given in the question, means if in the question it is given that you are such and such, you have to write the same name. So you can write both ways, means under the title or at the end of the article. So title and writer's name, it consists of 1 marks. Content, body, that contains 4 marks. And expression, in expression grammatical accuracy is there, appropriate words and spelling, coherence and relevance of the ideas and style, all this involves 5 marks. So title, how could be what could be the title जो है वो कैसा होना चाहिए? It should be eye catching, illustrating the central theme. And students, you know that for title or for heading there are no so hard and fast rules, but usually it consists of 4 to 6 words, maximum 8 words. So title can be a single word, a phrase, so even a sentence means 6 to 8 words. So it should be descriptive, catchy, thought provoking, and more often students, the title is already given in the statement of the question. Now comes the body, content, what you have to write in that. The body of an article is highly structured and directional. Structured means it has a distinct beginning, a middle and a conclusion. Means this is the difference between a paragraph writing and an article writing. You have to follow a set pattern in article writing. You have to be very particular about it. पैराग्राफ एक सिंपल, एक ही पैराग्राफ में आप अपनी बात कन्वे करते हो, बट ए गुड आर्टिकल कंसिस्ट ऑफ सेवरल पैराग्राफ्स, यूजुअली 3 to 4 पैराग्राफ्स आप एक अच्छे आर्टिकल में लिख सकते हो. एंड ईच पैराग्राफ डील्स विद ओनली वन मेन आइडिया, पॉइंट और आर्ग्यूमेंट. जो आपको क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया है, सारे पैराग्राफ जो है वो उसी की को लीड करते हुए होंगे कि क्या आइडिया है और क्या आपका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू है. सो दैट मीन्स ऑल द पैराग्राफ्स शुड बी स्ट्रक्चर्ड एंड ऑर्गेनाइज्ड लाइक द होल आर्टिकल इटसेल्फ. हर एक पैराग्राफ अपने आप में एक मिनी आर्टिकल की तरह होना चाहिए, जो अपने आप में कंप्लीट हो, पूरा मैसेज जो है वो कन्वे करता हो. सो व्हाट शुड बी द पर्पस ऑफ राइटिंग. पर्पस क्या है? यू नो स्टूडेंट्स, एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से कोई भी चीज़ जो है वो विदाउट पर्पस नहीं होती. पर्पस शुड बी देयर. तो आर्टिकल का पर्पस क्या है? टू मेक श्योर वेदर यू आर राइटिंग टू इन्फॉर्म पीपल, टू परsuade them, to entertain them or to convince them. So the clarity of purpose should be there. It will ensure clarity in the choice of the style. So exposition of the topic, the same thing. Spell out the various aspects. आपको आपका नॉलेज जो है वो वास्ट होना चाहिए. आपने अभी तक जो भी अपने, इफ़ यू हैव अ गुड रीडिंग हैबिट्स, तो बहुत सारे उस टॉपिक के बारे में आपको ऑलरेडी नॉलेज होता है. सो हाउ टू मेक देम कन्विंसिंग. तो उसके मेरिट्स क्या हैं, डीमेरिट्स क्या है, कॉजेज़ क्या है, कंसिक्वेंसेस, इफ़ेक्ट्स, advantages and disadvantages. You should be knowing about it, then you will be able to write about it. Then winding up. Winding up means आपको अपना ओपिनियन देना है, कमेंट्स देने हैं, क्रिटिसिज्म या रिकमेंडेशन या फिर कॉल फॉर एक्शन. जो आपको क्वेश्चन में पूछा गया है उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको क्या लगता है कि क्या ज़रूरी है. आप अपने कमेंट्स दे सकते हो या क्रिटिसाइज़ कर सकते हो उस बात को कि ये ठीक नहीं है, मैं इससे एग्रीड नहीं हूँ. या फिर इफ़ यू वांट दैट somebody, some authority should take action against it, then also you can write the same. Then conclusion. So conclude with a hope, a warning, an appeal or call for the action. Then at the end, already I told you, if the name of the writer is given, then you can write it in the very starting under the title or at the last also. So it is your choice where you want to write. Now students, here is a simple write article. International Women's Day falls on 8th March every year. As the secretary of a women's group, Ivana, write an article on the importance and power of women for a newspaper. You are Sharmila. तो ये जो है article, it is given as a sample, the importance and power of women. So you can see here the writer name is written at the end and the title is given, and 4 paragraphs are made in this article. So now students, one question is for you for the practice assignment. So you have to write it in your notebook and you have to learn also. So the word limit is 150 to 200. The question is, write an article for your school magazine justifying the need for education of girls in the country for national development. So thank you. That's all.